The EA-18G Growler is an electronic warfare aircraft based on the FA-18F Super Hornet airframe. The Block II upgrades significantly enhanced the Growler's capabilities, transforming it into a next-generation aerial combat platform.
The EA-18G Growler was introduced in 2009, replacing the EA-6B Prowler. The initial Block I configuration provided a robust electronic warfare capability, but it was limited by its analog and digital receiver systems. The Block II upgrades, completed in 2016, addressed these limitations and integrated cutting-edge technologies. The Block II upgrades included 1. Advanced Electronic Attack System. The AEA system, also known as the Next Generation Electronic Warfare, or NGEAU system, provides advanced electronic attack capabilities. It includes a high-power, solid-state amplifier and an advanced digital receiver system, enabling the Growler to detect, identify, and engage a wider range of targets.
2. E-Pod, External Pod. The E-Pod, External Pod, is a pod-mounted electronic warfare system that provides additional electronic attack capabilities. The E-Pod can be carried on the Growler's wing pylons, increasing the aircraft's electronic warfare capacity.
3. ALQ-99E V2 Tactical Electronic Warfare System, TEAS. The ALQ-99E V2 TEAS is an upgraded version of the legacy ALQ-99 system. It provides improved jamming capabilities and enhanced situational awareness. APG-83V3 ASACE Radar. The APG-83V3 Active Electronically Scanned Array, or ASACE radar, provides the Growler with a multi-mode radar capability, enabling it to detect and track targets at long ranges. 5. Link 16 and Multifunction Advanced Data Link, MADL. The integration of Link 16 and MADL enables the Growler to share targeting data and coordinate with other aircraft and ground stations in real time. 6. Helmet-Mounted Display System. The HMDS provides the pilot with a helmet-mounted display, allowing for enhanced situational awareness and targeting capabilities. The Block II upgrades significantly enhanced the EA-18G Growler's capabilities. 1. Increased electronic warfare range. The AEA system and E-Pod pod increased the Growler's electronic warfare range, allowing it to engage targets at greater distances. 2. Improved target detection and identification. The APG-83V3 ASA radar and advanced digital receiver system improved the Growler's ability to detect and identify targets. 3. Enhanced situational awareness. The integration of Link 16, MADL, and HMDS provided the pilot with real-time targeting data and enhanced situational awareness. 4. Increased lethality. The Block II upgrades enabled the Growler to deliver more effective electronic attacks, increasing its lethality in combat. Next-Gen Aerial Combat Beast. The Block II upgrades transformed the EA-18G Growler into a next-generation aerial combat platform capable of conducting advanced electronic warfare. The Growler can now conduct advanced electronic warfare operations, including electronic attack, electronic protection, and electronic support. Operating in contested environments. The Growler's advanced sensors and electronic warfare systems enable it to operate in contested environments where enemy air defenses are robust. 3. Coordinating with other aircraft. The Growler's integration with other aircraft and ground stations enables it to coordinate with other platforms, increasing its effectiveness in combat. The Block II upgrades have significantly enhanced the EA-18G Growler's capabilities, making it a formidable next-generation aerial combat platform. The next-generation jammers technology used on the EA-18G Growler and other fighter jets is known as the Advanced Electronic Attack System, or Next-Generation Electronic Warfare System. Key features: solid-state power amplifiers. The Advanced Electronic Attack System, AEA, uses solid-state power amplifiers, which provide high-power, high-frequency electronic warfare capabilities. SSPAs are more efficient, reliable, and maintainable than traditional traveling wave tube amplifiers. Digital receiver systems. The AEA system features advanced digital receiver systems, which enable the Growler to detect, identify, and engage a wider range of targets, including modern radar systems. 3. Wideband high-power jamming. The AEA system can generate high-power jamming signals across a wide frequency range, allowing it to disrupt or deceive enemy radar and communication systems. Multi-beam, multi-function capability. The AEA system can generate multiple beams, enabling it to engage multiple targets simultaneously. This capability also allows for simultaneous electronic attack and electronic protection. 5. Open Mission Systems Architecture. The Advanced Electronic Attack System uses an open mission systems architecture, which enables the integration of new electronic warfare capabilities and allows for easier upgrades. The benefits of this technology on modern electronic warfare. 1. Improved electronic warfare capabilities. The AEA system provides advanced electronic warfare capabilities, enabling the Growler to effectively counter modern radar and communication systems. 2. Increased lethality. The AEA system's high-power jamming capabilities increase the Growler's lethality, allowing it to disrupt or deceive enemy systems more effectively. 3. Enhanced survivability. The AEA system's advanced digital receiver systems and multi-beam, multi-function capability enhance the Growler's survivability, enabling it to operate in contested environments. Other fighter jets using this technology. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 features an internal electronic warfare system known as the Electro-Optical Distributed Aperture System, EODAS, which provides advanced electronic warfare capabilities. 2. F-15EX. The F-15EX features an Advanced Electronic Warfare AEW system, which provides advanced electronic warfare capabilities, including high-power jamming. 3. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon features a Praetorian Defensive Aid Suite (DAS), which includes an electronic warfare system with advanced jamming capabilities. Note that the specific electronic warfare technologies used on these fighter jets may vary, but they all share similar capabilities and features with the AEA system used on the EA-18G Growler.